Protect your loved ones by sanitizing frequently touched items and surfaces. Usage of alcohol in a concentration of more than 60% is effective against all viruses, including COVID-19. Start with washing your hands and wear gloves when cleaning. Avoid contact with skin or food and never use it near an open flame or high heat. Remember to keep windows open for ventilation when using disinfectants. Target to disinfect frequently touched areas such as doorknobs, table surfaces and light switches. Avoid using alcohol on painted, shellacked, lacquered or varnished surfaces. Once done, store it out of reach of children. Wash hands with soap immediately after cleaning and disinfecting is complete.